Good morning. It's the first morning after we camped. We're still here camping. Here's our setup still. Kids are still sleeping. I'm gonna set up so that we can get the breakfast going, so that when they do wake up, breakfast is pretty much ready. I always brush my teeth first thing in the morning, so let me go brush my teeth real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do for breakfast, or how we're gonna cook breakfast as well too. So come with me, let's get some stuff out of the car. Oh, it's a mess back here. Yes, that's rollerblades. And you guys might be thinking, oh, you guys are camping. How are you gonna use an electric griddle? Well, Jacker sent us over this awesome solar battery and solar panels, and this thing is awesome. Alright, check these things out, guys. So it's from Jackery. They sent us over these 4 100-watt solar panels that charge up, which I'm using right now. This Jackery 1500. I want to show you guys this. I'm going to set this up right now because the sun's up, so we could charge this thing. Because you could charge it while cooking or using it. So give me a second. It's all set up. All right, so that thing's been charged up to like 96%. Pretty much anything electronic that we had, we plugged it in, it's good to go. We have an air mattress, and the pump that we used for it, instead of using batteries, it has a little DC outlet, so we plugged that into the DC outlet. Let me get some breakfast going right now, so that when the kids wake up, and when Crunch Mom wakes up, breakfast is ready for them. Oh, there he is. Okay, goodbye. Good morning, mister. Morning. Did you sleep okay last night?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Who doesn't like bacon in the morning? Alright, so I got you on my head so you guys can see a little bit better. How fluffy those eggs came out. Ooh. Hi, Kaya. Good morning.
I found one.
We got pancakes. Let me finish up making the breakfast, and we'll show you guys once we're all sitting around eating. Oh, of course. This is how I make my morning coffee. It's super easy, guys. Literally just take a spoonful, throw it in. That's it. Oh yeah, there's cookies. Super easy. Alright, here's Jordan's breakfast. Take a look. So you got apples and bacon and pancakes and eggs. Ooh, how's that?
We say good morning.
You're already dirty. How'd you get dirty already?
Look at your face. How'd
that get so dirty already? You just woke up. So we finished up breakfast. We all changed up. We're ready to start our day. Just gonna go get some water right now because it's getting pretty warm out here. Run, 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 run! You're so fast. Whoa! Nice, good running. Look at this one. All right, they're playing with water guns, so I'm gonna go surprise them. There he is! There he is! Got him! Where's your shoes? What happened to your shoes? I hit you with water so hard your shoes fell off. Where's your shoes? Right there, go put them on. God. No, 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 no. Ay, ay, ay. All right, we're gonna go run around and play a little bit more. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hi, no. Hi.
It's about 11 o'clock now. Let me see. Okay, nope. It's about 10 o'clock now.
It's only 10 o'clock.
It's only 10 o'clock, but we're gonna go for a hike now. Hats on. Everybody hats on? Let me see. Hats on. Kaya, hats on? Hats on. Don't touch that one. That one's dirty water. Come. Let's go. We're gonna go for a hike. So I believe this used to have water that would flow all the way from here. It would just flow down river, but it's been pretty dry, so there's no water. But I believe we have to watch out for rattlesnakes.
Let's go!
Okay, show me your big stick. How do you manage to find the biggest sticks?
Okay. That's how you jump, Kaya. Nice.
Okay, you try again.
Okay, Kaya. You want to try?
What's it now?
Okay, Kaya. Come on up and then jump off. What? That is not how you jump. Oh, there's like a little playground area. I think it's closed off though. Oh, that's pretty cool. So they have like a little playground area. I don't remember this last time. Let's see it coming down. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. It looks like there's some stuff over there. I think there's like a nature, like a welcoming building or something. There's like a welcome building or something over there. We'll go check it out. Oh, so it's a nature center. Cool. Let me see. Wow, a red-tailed hawk has a bigger wingspan than you. Whoa. Hey, look at mommy. Look at, she's the size of a bird. Watch Jordan.
Spread your arms.
Spread your arms. Wow.
That's almost exactly like Daddy.
Whoa.
I might be a turkey vulture.
Oh, mommy's a turkey vulture. Kaya is not a barn owl. Jordan's a barn owl? Oh yeah, Jordan's a barn owl. Cool, take a look at this. This is the first time I've actually seen one of these. So, they're like, it's a littlefreelibrary.org. You take a book and you return a book. It's a non-profit. Look at that. So we just made it back to our site. Check it out. Are you ready, mister?
Yeah.
Oh, look at, so we got a bunch of water balloons. Whoa. You ready? It's gonna be you versus me. Here we go.
Here we
I'm
go.
gonna take them over here. We gotta wash the little one's feeties. Show them how we clean their feet. Get a bucket of water, and then we just take her and dunk her in. Clean feet. All right, check it out. Clean toes. Going back to our Big Bear Surprise, another roll of film, and we're going to take some photos. Oh yeah, our guest is here. It's Crunch Mom's best friend. Oh dear. The cool thing about cooking outdoors, all of your biodegradable stuff, I just toss it outside and the bugs will eat it. Let's get this pork belly going. Pork belly's cooking, look at that. Not good. Originally we were gonna do a pudejjiga, but I failed and I totally forgot to bring some of the ingredients. So we're gonna just do a pimped up version, or like a super version of ramen udon with awesome veggies. We're gonna pimp it up. We're gonna do like pork belly and spam with the mushrooms and the zucchinis and the onions, and of course Korean style barbecue pork belly. Ooh. We gotta put in the seasoning packet into here with all the veggies, the pork belly and the spam. So Crunch Mom likes this one. She likes the flavor, or she likes the texture of the noodles on this one. And for the kids and Crunch Mom and whoever else, for the non-spicy version, we're using this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna be good.
For dinner.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다.
There you go. We're gonna eat the rest of our dinner, and then we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna build a fire. Oh, you know what? We'll show you guys a little bit of the s'mores making as well too. We'll probably do that a little bit later, so stick around for that. But so far, thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Oh, hey, that's your foot. Not at the dinner table.
Oh.
But I'm gonna do it where you can squirt it out.
Oh, look at mine.
Melted.
Oh, we gotta blow it out. Blow it out. Look at.
You gotta blow it out. It's gonna burn. Charbroiled.
I'm not gonna use. Yeah, I'm not gonna use the campfire. I'm just gonna use the blowtorch.
That's not making s'mores.
Oh, that's gonna make s'mores.
Jordan, show me.
Mmm, look at that. Alright guys, we're eating s'mores. How's yours? Mmm. Oh, what? Oh, this is good with the almond chocolate.
Wait, I gotta
Nice.
tell you what you eat in a day.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. This is the third day that we've been here. Not night, so we've been here 2 nights, 1 day. This is the morning of the day that we leave. We're all done. I mean, I started packing a little bit already, so you guys can see, you know, some of our stuff's already in here. I'm gonna start taking down the tents, and then I'll take down the canopy and then pack up the rest of that stuff. Whoa, we're packed up, guys. Woohoo! All right, how was it?
God.
Oh, Kaya, did you have fun too? Oh my goodness, she always says no. All right, how was it, Crunch Mom?
I loved it.
All right,
Can't wait to go back.
she's not much of an outdoor person, but I think she enjoyed it.
now.
So it was pretty fun, guys. We're packed up. We're actually gonna head to the restroom one more time before we go. And then we're gonna head down, get some lunch. But this camping trip is over.
See you next time.
See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Kaya. Kaya's waving too. Crunch Baby's waving. There she is. Wave, wave, wave. Bye-bye. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.